Hi kids, today in Kidzie classroom we will learn punctuation marks and we will also learn how to use them. So let's learn together. What is punctuation? The English language has a system of symbols and signs and known as punctuation. Why do we need punctuations? Punctuations tells us how to structure sentences and how each sentence should be read. Full stop. It marks the end of the sentence. For example, Ali goes to school. Dear kids, as you can see, a symbol of full stop at the end of the sentence. Comma. It indicates natural pause in the sentence or separate the items in the list. For example, Amna bought apple, banana, oranges and grapes from the market. As you can see, the symbol of comma in the example which is highlighted with the blue color. Question mark. It indicates the end of the question. For example, how are you? You can see the symbol of question mark at the end of the sentence. How are you? Exclamation mark. It shows strong feelings such as surprise, anger, or joy, etc. For example, stop, keep it up, well done. You can see the symbol of exclamation mark at the end of stop. Quotation mark. It indicates direct speech. For example, I like this book, said Ali. You can see the quotation mark or inverted commas in the example as they are highlighted in the blue color. Brackets. Bracket separates extra information from the rest of sentence. For example, yesterday was my last day of school. Here you want to add an extra information for the reader. That is, you want to tell what was the day on yesterday, which was Friday. So you can see the symbols of brackets before and after the word Friday. Square brackets. It used to clarify unclear information. For example, Ali was climbing mountain. It is important to be safe. You can see the symbols of square brackets before and after the word mountain. Forward slash. It used to indicate the division, that means or. For example, when leaving the class, the teacher noticed that a student had left his or her bag. So simple slash states about or. As you can see in the sentence, the symbol slash which is highlighted in the blue color. Hyphen. It used to join the words. For example, Ahmed is self-confident boy. You can see the symbol of hyphen between two words self and confident. Ellipsis. It indicates the omission of words or creates suspense or hesitation. For example, sorry, I forgot my homework. You can see the symbol of ellipsis after the word sorry. Dear little kids, we hope you like the video. Please do subscribe our channel. Stay blessed.